In this video, I will show you how to change the language of your PS5 and also show you how to change the language back to English in case you're stuck with a different language and you do not know your way around your PS5. Now basically, to change the language of your PS5, you want to go over to the settings at the top. So just use your controller to go over to the settings icon, which is this gear icon over here. Go ahead and select it. And from here, you just want to scroll down until you get to system settings over here. Go ahead and select system settings and then just scroll down until you get to language over here. Now go ahead and select it and then click on console language. Now from here, you can go ahead and select any language you actually want to be your preferred language for your PS5. Now mind you, the language you use here is also going to be the language of the games on your PS5. So just go ahead and select any language and you're good to go. Now, in the situation where you are stuck with a particular language, say for instance you're stuck with the French language over here, and you do not know your way to change back your language back to English, what you want to do is to simply, from the home of your PS5, you want to go over to the settings, which is this settings icon. So go over to the settings over here, select settings, and from the settings you want to go over to the system settings. Now this is actually the icon, this box icon is the icon for the system settings. In case you're unable to recognize the language over here, just go ahead and select this box icon over here, and then from here you just want to move down 3 times from this particular option over here. So just move down 3 times, 1, 2, and then 3, and then you just want to go ahead and select that option. Now select the option again, and from here you can now go ahead and set your preferred language back to English, which can either be English US or English UK. In my case, I'll go with the UK, and then this is just going to take a minute or two, and the language of your PS5 will be set back to English. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.